our back porch. Nothing but cool. We haven't had any neighbors. We just got one today. This is the backyard for our dogs. These are the condo or the townhouses. The one right here beside us is for sale. We looked at it, it needs some work though. But it is so cool back here. It is fenced in area. And you could see it's pine needles. The dogs don't really like the pine needles, but you just walk down here. I mean, they can come out here and just have a good time. You could just go down and see other people's little villas. You walk. Just keep walking. There's ours right there. And down this way. There's ours right here. We've been staying here. There's the one that's for sale that I want Scotty to buy me. Oh, there's Shiloh. She's waiting for me to come up. Of course. Come on, Shiloh, let's go. And back into the